Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing a clean audio file into FL Studio. Choose a monophonic vocal or single instrument loop for highest accuracy. Once done, open the clip in Edison or the playlist and check tempo and sample rate so pitch detection is stable. Make sure stretching is enabled because FL Studio uses time and pitch algorithms to map notes. You want minimal noise and consistent amplitude. That's why pre-trimming and normalizing will reduce false Midi triggers and improve note detection accuracy. Now you extract pitch. Load the clip in Edison and use detect pitch regions, or use new tone for cleaner editing and manual correction. Once notes appear, drag the detection output directly to the piano roll or choose export as a Midi file. This translates pitch and timing into Midi note data. Make sure to quantize lightly so natural timing remains and adjust detection sensitivity to avoid ghost notes. You do this because automated detection is imprecise. Manual trimming improves musicality and playback with Finally, assign the Midi to a chosen instrument channel and shape dynamics by adjusting velocity and note length in the piano roll. You should audition with different synths, flex, or a sampled VSD. Because timbre reveals detection errors, then fix tuning or wrong intervals manually. If notes sound doubled or missing, split polyphonic material into separate mono tracks or re-record a cleaner take. That troubleshooting step solves the most common failures because pitch algorithms struggle with overlapping harmonics. Save both Midi and edited audio for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.